In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job with no experience. If you're starting from zero, the first thing to do is choose the type of job you want. Focus on entry-level roles that match your interests and the skills you already have. This gives you direction and makes the rest of the process much easier. Next, identify your transferable skills. Even without formal work experience, skills like communication, organization, customer service, computer skills, teamwork, problem solving, and time management are valuable. These are the abilities employers often look for, especially in beginner roles. Once you know the kind of job you're targeting, learn the basic skills required for that role. You can use free courses, tutorials, and practice projects to build job-ready skills. The goal is to become confident enough to show that you can do the work. After that, create a professional resume. Include your education, skills, certifications, projects, volunteer work, internships, and any relevant personal experience. The key here is to focus on what you can do, not on what you lack. Instead of highlighting that you have no experience, show clear proof of your abilities. A great way to do that is by creating sample work. Depending on the role, that could mean social media posts, graphic designs, spreadsheet projects, writing samples, websites, customer service scenarios, or marketing plans. Then build a simple portfolio and place your best work in an easy-to-share format, such as a cloud folder, a design platform, a project page, a code repository, or a personal website. You should also create professional job profiles. Set up or update your profiles on major job search platforms so employers can find you and so you can apply more easily. When searching, use keywords like entry-level, junior, fresher, trainee, no experience, and internship. And don't wait until you match every requirement perfectly. If you meet most of the important qualifications and you're confident you can learn the rest, apply anyway. For each application, customize your resume to fit the job and write a short personalized message explaining why you're interested and what you can contribute. At the same time, network with people in your target industry, including recruiters, professionals, former classmates, and employees at companies you like. As interviews start coming in, prepare for common questions like, tell me about yourself. Why should we hire you? Why do you want this job? What are your strengths and how do you handle challenges? Also be ready for practical tests, since some employers may want to see your skills in action. Most importantly, be honest about your experience. Don't invent jobs or clients. Let your projects, training, education, and personal work speak for you. Apply consistently. Track your applications, ask for feedback when possible, and keep building experience while job hunting through freelance work, volunteer work, internships, or personal projects. And finally, don't give up after a few rejections. Getting your first job is often the hardest part, but every application helps you improve and gets you closer to that first opportunity.